say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Thursday.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar.
Recording in progress.
All right. Let's get it started. Welcome in, man. Welcome in. W's in the chat.
Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
What up, Louis G?
To the Father.
Louis
You
G in the
deserve
house.
the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my
What up,
shame.
Z Gamer in the building? What up, Z Gamer? Yo, yo. What up, Ecom Dre in the house? What up, Ecom Dre? Wokey in the building. What's good, Wokey? What up, Jude? Yo, yo. Stephen B in the house. What's up, Lazy Panda? Jimmy Williams in the heat. Yo, what up, Eric P? What's up, Jessica Lake? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, PM Magnifico in the building. What's goody, what's goody? What up, 3 Ants? Let's go. All the heavy hitters are here, man. Only bands in the building. Speaking of heavy hitters. Yay. What up, DJ Scratches? Too many of them. Too many studs. Straight studs and studettes. Zeb's in the building. Jason C is here. Yeah, what's up, Matt? Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? What's up, Juan? What it do? What up, Sleepy Hot Dog? Still love that name, man. Still love that name. All right, let's get Zoom rocking and rolling. All right, I think we're good. Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome in. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's just get the Zoomers in before we make a move. Don't make a move without them. All right, cool. All right, let's share some music for them, and then I think we are good. Yeah, here they come. Dope. Awesome. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Hey, so proud of you guys, man. You know, you see these TTE traders just stepping it up, man. Just looking at things with the long-term perspective. It's no surprise. It's no surprise to me why you see people just dialed in right now as we cruise into the new year. So shout out to all you guys who are absolutely dialed and have been preparing since we've been talking about it in April, right? April and May. What were we saying? Everything we do from this point forward is building us momentum into the new year. So shout out to all those who took advantage. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You'll hear their names, and you're hearing them now. You're hearing the names. All right, I think we're good. Zoomers, y'all good? Welcome in, G's. Welcome in, welcome in. W London session. W London sesh. Yeah, what's up, Tamra? Yanosh. What's up, Nevin? LeGrand in the building. Yup. What's up, Tyrone? Yeah, so major big ups to you guys. Seriously, man. This ain't about me. This is about you guys, and this is what I planned, and planned to see people from all over the world moving forward. I knew it was going to take some time. I knew it was going to take 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, 15 months, 24 months, but at some point, the momentum would catch on fire, and that's what's happening right now as we move into 2025, and it's much bigger than me. It's taken on a life of its own, and I just love to see people winning. So congratulations. Let's begin the new year with a great start here. All right, how do you start a great year? You end it great. The way you start something is the way you end something. The way you end something is the way you start something. All right, so let's start this stream. Let me pray for y'all, and we'll rock and roll here. Father in heaven, I just thank you, Lord. I thank you for the promises that you've kept, Lord. I thank you for the harvest that's plentiful and the workers that you're sending into the field, Lord. We just give you all the glory for everything you're doing. We know it's a gift from above, Lord, and we thank you for it. We honor you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. W's in the chat. What up to Yogi? What's goody? What's goody? Yeah, Stephen B. Let's go. All right, let's rock and roll here. Today is, what is today? Today is the 19th of December. It's last big trading week of the year here. So let's see what we got going on today. Today is another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined, to be professionals, and to treat our trading like a business, right? So that way it begins to pay us like a business. So again, December 19th. We do have some news coming in here at 8:30. You got unemployment claims, got some red folder news coming in. You also have some orange folder throughout the day, and some more yellow folder stuff, right? So we got a bunch of news here today. Let me lower this music just a little bit. One sec. All right. My bad. That should be better. Boom. All right, that should be better. So we do have a lot of news coming in here today, all throughout the session. So just keep an eye out for that. Red folders are going to be at 8:30. Everything else is pretty minimum to low effect here on price. Just 8:30 is the big one, right? That's coming up in about 29 minutes. So we'll keep an eye on that. Other than that, Friday we have some more red folders coming in tomorrow, and that's it, man. That's the year. December 20th, we're moving into the new year, the tail end of this month, tail end of the year. I'll be in the clubhouse for like an hour or two every day, but other than that, you're pretty much wrapped up here come tomorrow. So so we'll put a hat on the year, but let's go ahead and dive into some technicals here. Let's see what we got going on here on gold and how we can approach the markets from this point forward today. Y'all ready for a breakdown? Hey, can we get some likes? I think we had, damn. What was it? I don't know if I saved the picture, man. How many likes? 109,000 likes this year. Holy. 109,000 likes, 2 million views. 2 million views on the live streams on the YouTube channel. Almost 11,000 comments, 5,000, just W gang. So like the stream, man. Can we add a couple likes to that? Yeah, you think we can add a couple likes? If everyone adds a like here today, that would make my day, man. Yeah, W. I think we can get that to 110,000 likes here by the end of the year. What do you guys think? It's at 109,000 right now. All right. Anyway, so give the stream a like. Sub to the channel if you're not subscribed to. This channel is about to be next level. So let's take a look at the technicals here on gold, and let's see what we got going on. So yesterday was FOMC, right? There was major decisions made yesterday by the Fed. We actually did push right through the range here, right? So we were kind of caught up in the range with those last 3 candles here, right? 1, 2, 3, and then we really seen if this candle, right, was going to either reject the lows here and push out of it or break through. And you know, obviously now we see that price just broke through. We came down, we basically retested and filled that range, and then the candle ends up closing without a bottom wick, right? We're talking about this bearish candle right here, ends up closing without a bottom wick right at support. And you know, now we're just waiting for this candle to see what it's going to do, right? So I'm pretty bullish, right? Although we did close heavily bearish, I would expect, you know, for this candle to either pop up here today or just kind of fluctuate, you know what I mean, around here. I don't know if we'll see any more breaking of the lows or anything like that, but anything is possible here. But we do know that this candle closed without a bottom wick right at a major area of support. And what do you know, right? If you look left to where price stopped, you'll notice that this was the previous range in which we were consolidating for like 3 weeks in. You guys remember that? This was horrible, right? This range right here was just chopping around for like, I think it was like 2.5, 3 weeks. So it's no surprise that we end up right out towards the top of that range here. We may push down a little bit into it, but all in all, I would say I'm pretty bullish here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour though, because the 4 hour is now pulling back, right? So the daily pushed up here in Asian and London session. We did take buys in London. Now 4 hour here coming into pre-New York, and New York Open is breaking lows, right, and pushing down. So what does that mean for us, right? We broke lows. We're beginning to fill that wick. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart here. 1 hour candles have closed above the range, right? So you got this candle that pushed down, right? You got a rejection here. You got price pushing down pretty heavily right into the support. We're coming down now without a top wick. We closed above the range here, right? So that's something to look out for. So at one point, this green candle, right, this bullish candle that you see closed up here, it looked just like this candle. You see it? It was all the way down here, and eventually it popped up, right? So could that be what takes place here on the 1 hour candle with gold here for NY Open? And then we'll see if that could potentially lead to some sort of fake out back, or not even a fake out, just new support back above the range, right? Something like this, just like you've seen to the left hand side. So we'll see. We got news coming up, so I'm probably not trading this hourly candle. I'm already up to, by the way, I passed 2 XFAs here in London session today, so just chilling for the most part here to see how I can serve you and help you guys answer any questions, give analysis and all that good stuff. But 1 hour, 30-minute, all that stuff, you know, ends up closing above here. So you got news coming out in just a little bit. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the candle rejects this wick to the left, or if we end up closing below. If we do, you've got clean range, right? You do have clean range here, but we'll see what happens, man. This area is no stranger to price. Last time we popped up, so yeah, I'm just gonna hang out, wait, see how the candle closes, take a look at the 15. Everything's at support right now, so I would just relax, settle in, and wait for the best opportunity today. Yeah, and it's certainly not a sell right now. All right, so that's it. We'll see how we react towards 26.18, and we'll go from there. Cool. Easy work, easy work. Yeah, who took sells? These sells are really nice here. What time did this go down? 7? Yeah, nice push on Goldie. Nice push, nice push. So yeah, you're probably gonna create a support somewhere around here. You know, I would assume that the 1 hour, right, if it's gonna come back and make a top wick, anything in this overall area where this wick is, right, it's just a trap, right? So I would just stay out of that, wait for news to come out, and then go from there. Yeah, I'll tell you what though, if you do get a bullish closure, right, back above this range, there's a very high chance, very high probability that price is gonna move up again and retest those highs. Yeah, we're in this beautiful uptrend here. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so that's it. That's the day for me. That's what I'm looking at. Those are my thoughts. That's my story, and I'm pretty much sticking to it. One hour clean, 1 hour clean. Yeah. Yep, you got clean range below. You just got a really sketchy candle here. Right, previous candle, current candle, they're up to something. They're up to something. I could sniff it. I could smell it. like them two kids. You know them two kids. They be on the up to something over there. What up, Rob Traits? Yo, yo. What's goody? Mr. Smith, how you doing? What you guys working with today? Who took any trades? If you guys took trades, put them in charts for stream. We'll take a look at them. We'll give them a review. Who's got questions? Who's ready to get dialed? Who's not dialed in? I think more than anything, my skill set is to get people in a flow state. Who's not in flow state? Let's make some moves here in 2025. It's just all about habits. It's all about systems. It's all about mentality. But if you don't have anyone that's gonna share that information with you, it's very difficult to get into flow state. There's just too much BS going on. Way too much. You know, anytime you say, when someone asks you how you doing, you say, I'm all right, man. That just tells me you're just weak-minded right now, and we need to strengthen that mindset, strengthen that muscle, right? That just tells me that you're letting other things that are happening around you dictate how your mind, how you feel, right? And it's time to toughen up mentally, man. Success is gonna take grit. It's gonna take toughness, mental toughness. So you got to dial that in. Success does not reward the poor, pitiful me mentality. What up, Ayush? What up, Sam, man? My man. Yup, time to turn the dial up. Time to turn it up. Let's go, Mr. Kraft. That's what I like to hear. Yup. On them days you're tired, that's the day you got to prove yourself to you. That's the day you find out what you're made of. When that motivation begins to let up, and you know you kind of forgot about the feeling that you had when you made a decision to move into something. Those are times in which you're tested. Those are the times in which you earn your right to be successful. So you got to dial in, G. Got to dial in. And we've been saying this. We said it last year, and we'll say it again. And we'll continue to say it until you catch on, right? Because we want to see you win. We know you could win. We know whose you are. We know who made you, right? Now it's just about getting in alignment with that, getting into that flow state. I know you want bigger things. I know you want a better life. It's all on the other side of flow state, gang. Let's go. Yeah. Mr. Crafty, inch by inch, brother. Everything's easy. Everything's easy inch by inch. Who's got questions? Anyone got good questions? Let's chat a little bit here today. We need a pullback. We need some sort of price action on gold. It's going to take a little bit to form up. What you guys got? Let's chat here, man. Discipline does equal freedom. It really does. It really does. You gotta deny pleasure, man. And the reason why you see a lot of traders from this community moving on is because they have now, or a few months ago, they have completely shifted to the long-term perspective, the long-term mindset. They're no longer in it for the here and now, right? When you deny pleasure and put in the discipline, that's when you're gonna see those long-term results. And you're not going to see them too much in the day-to-day, right? It's very, very slight improvements day by day until one day you just look back and you go, damn, things really have changed for me, right? But it's not going to happen until you dial in on that long-term perspective. And that's the big thing I see, is that people, when we were talking about dialing in for the new year and learning things, and you know, not really getting too hard on ourselves, right? When we were learning new setups and things like that, just preparing for the new year. Look where we're at now, right? They will call us lucky again next year, I promise you. And they'll keep calling us lucky because we'll keep working hard. We'll stay dialed in. Do we host a London stream? Yeah, we do. We do, in the clubhouse. Yeah, get in the clubhouse, gang. Find mentorship. I mean, seek out a mentor, right? Find people that can help you excel. It's being a trader. It's not fun being a lone trader, man. You know, find good mentorship, whoever that is. My clubhouse, his clubhouse, their clubhouse. Whatever you need to do to win, you gotta figure it out, man. Gotta figure it out. The neatest double bottom, eh? With right here. It does look pretty neat. Does look pretty neat if this 4-hour candle flips bullet, or if this 1-hour candle flips bullish. You waiting to see what the news does? Yeah, same. Some of you guys, it's just the goal is just to switch that office, man. Switch that office view, right? And have your own office, your mobile office. Yeah. Escape the 9 to 5. Let's get it, man. Do I see London to be a good session? Absolutely. I think London's the best session. Yeah, you see Norbin. So, and that's what the best part about having the clubhouse is now, and developing this inner circle, is the fact that like that would probably be a better question for Stephen B, who I see answered it right at this point now in my life, because I haven't had the 9 to 5 thing for a while, right? So now you got traders getting experience and dialing in and can sharpen one another, right? So I like that advice that Stephen B gave, right? And you're gonna find that, you know, some of your answers are gonna be better answered, or some of your questions are going to be better answered from some other up and coming traders, right, who are kind of still in that situation, who are making their way out of it. So it's a beautiful thing, man, when the camaraderie sets in, and we're seeing it all over the clubhouse. I love this stuff, man. Love this stuff. Winners win. What up, Jay Deezy? I actually made money on buys yesterday on gold, believe it or not. Yeah, I actually made money buying in this 4-hour candle yesterday. Wild, right? Wild. Yeah, let's go, Jimmy. Yep, that's why, man. We're here. We're here on the YouTube live streams. We're giving it away for free. We're giving the sauce away. Yeah. My buy was taken right here. Where is it? Literally. Probably the only shot you had to take a buy yesterday. I took it. Alright, so where was it? I think this is the range right here, maybe. Yeah, I think we were using one of these ranges over here. I think it was over here, yeah. Either here or down there. Yeah. So was potentially anticipating a little bit of a retracement, right? So you had this, I forget which one it was, if it was here or here, but you had this candle close back in the range, right? And, you know, potential no top wick on this new 4-hour candle. So an idea for price to at least fill the wick and then maybe continue on. So trade was taken basically right here. I think it was like 20 something pips, and that was it. Yeah, actually, yeah, it was like 30 pips. And ended up closing at the wick fill, and then we just drove down. Yeah, I mean, like, we got like sniper exits on that one. Yeah, so that was it. So I actually made money buying into that 4-hour candle. All right, so this candle here closed with no wick at the bottom right before news here. So yeah. Yeah, 30-minute 1 hour is still open here. Yeah, a lot of the trades have been in the clubhouse. A lot of the trades have been during London session. We haven't had much action here in the New York session. Trades taken later on in the New York session too, so yeah, it's been a choppy New York Open last couple, I would say last 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks. What up, Sebastian? Yo. But yeah, so closed up on this account here. The London session trade did it for me. This was the trade I took in London right here. Basically flip of the candle. I only needed $900, so I just put my TP for $950, right there, and then hit it. And yeah, I traded this account really well. It's showing IG this, but nice solid, 79% win rate, 3-1. So all my RR gangsters, you guys will be proud of me now. Yeah, just a nice consistent climb. Just traded this account well. Yeah, nice steady incline here. Couple big, one big day really helped out with Jerome Powell, and then yesterday was pretty good, and then today did it. Yeah, we had a bunch of other guys pass their combines, pass some challenges here this week too. So fire, man. Everyone's doing really well. Very happy to see it. Yeah, only 24 trades. 24 trades total on this. So you don't need a lot of trades. You really don't. I think one thing I did really good on this account was taking advantage of edge and understanding what level of edge I had. I think that's why the 3R sits here like this, because everything we learned about conditions and all that, I've just taken that into consideration here towards the tail end of the year. And yeah, I think that's what's really helped. So remember, we talk about this is how you can play around with RR without extending your TPs or getting your stop losses tighter, right? So these are all things we've been talking about. And again, one thing you'll continue to see from me is just the slow growth, the slow journey and growth, to where you'll sit back, you'll be like, holy crap, yeah, I do remember him talking about that all the time. Damn, I didn't even realize he was applying that, right? Because I'm telling you, success is in them slight day-to-day movements. That's all it is, them slight day-to-day decisions and movements and actions. And, practicing that and really trying to dial that in, and when the edge is really there as opposed to when it's not, that right away has automatically helped us, or helped me for that matter, with the RR. I haven't changed anything in terms of when I take profits, when I take partials, where I put my stop loss, nothing. I've just looked at conditions, determined edge, and then took the trade. That's it. Manage risk a little bit better too, and that was it. That's pretty much it. So it's a slow game. The issue is, again, everyone wants to make all that happen in 2 weeks, but as you can see, it takes months. Takes time. Right? I'm in no rush. And once you don't need things like that, you'll eventually get them. So slow down a little bit. Slow down. It creeps. It's true, man. It creeps. What do we got here? Time to eat. Okay. Scraps. Let's get it. TTE. Got some food for the day. Oh, you're eating all that today? Okay. Wow. Wait, you're eating all this today? Damn, son. Something about Danish packaging. Yo, chill. Ours comes in like a Ziploc bag. Comes in like styrofoam wrap. This thing looks lovely. Look at them eggs. Damn. Damn, grind time. Damn. Yesterday's FOMC trade. Yeah, it was I think it was the only buy position that we seen yesterday, honestly. Like, you had a fake out here, so you had a range to the left that I was using. So basically the candle closed back above the range, that green candle, and then this candle had this red candle here. It came down, right? It made a low, and then it flipped bullish, and then my trade was just that wick fill. So once we filled the wick, closed the position, and yeah, that was it. So we were very bearish on the 30-minute, but we were also looking to make that top wick and potentially come up to give that candle a high, right? Because this was just out of the blue, 2 p.m. you know, red folder news just driving us down. So maybe thought that that trade or that move could have got recorrected a little bit, right, before going back down. Meaning, let me get rid of these arrows here. Meaning, like, you had to move down, like maybe come back up like some, right, before going back down. But that didn't really happen, right? We filled the wick, which was good. That was the move that I was looking for, and then just straight back down from there. So yeah, I didn't take any sells, or I didn't want any sells yesterday. I had already made it out of my mind that I wasn't taking the sells, that if the daily candle was going to push through all this, it would push through that without me, and I would just trade again tomorrow. Yep, I was really only looking for buys. That's it. The buys were the ones that made the most sense when it come to, you know, that price action there. So you had all this to get through on the daily at that point, and I personally just didn't want to be a part of it, right? But if you did break the highs there, when it came to the price action yesterday, you had very clean range for price to go up. If we look at it right here, right, this was your range. So if you would have broke through them highs, then yeah, I would have probably loved to take trades there. And that's why I was looking for buys, right, at that point, and that's why I took buys. So, but yeah, I'm glad that I'm happy for that daily candle. And as I mentioned yesterday, if it wants to go down, it can go down without me, and then I'll just kind of look at the markets the next day. And that's what I did, and I had another profitable day, right? So you don't have to force anything, right, or rush anything. Just do what you feel best based off of your edge. Stop loss on the entry candle. To be honest, bro, I forget. I think it was on the current candle. Yeah, I think it was on the current. Yeah, the current candle was like sitting. You see where the candle closed? That's pretty much where that current candle low was. So my stops were like right there. Yeah, so even that trade, right? That, I think that one got me like more than a 1R too. Yeah. Yeah, I seen the NASDAQ dropped. I seen ES drop. Yeah. Yeah, and you know, the biggest thing is I had a plan and followed it, right? So even if I would have lost that trade, I wouldn't be worried about that, right? I wouldn't be upset. I wouldn't be concerned, because the plan for me yesterday was maybe to catch that daily, getting all stuffed up here in this rejection zone and pushing bullish. That was my plan, right? So it's no surprise I didn't take any sells. So again, you have to do what's best according to your system. So these sells, it made up in my mind right away. I'm not going to participate, only buys that day, and yeah. Yeah, luckily got in and out, but all right, so I'm going to keep an eye here. We got news coming up in like 3 or 4 minutes. So we'll see what we do. Still no top wick on this candle here. Previous candle came down. It was bearish just like this one, rejected out of the zone. So we'll see what happens. How you doing? What up, Sieg? It's goody. Nobody knows nothing.
You don't.
Would it be good to sell with a small stop loss? Nothing is good or bad. It just is. It just is. Watch your mouth. What up, Magnus? Yo, yo. That brother eating. That man's eating. Sheesh. Daniel, what's goody? How we feeling? There's this. All right, now let me see. AB Mike is here. What up, AB Mike? What up, Stephen B, Mr. Kraft? Good to see you guys. Sorry, I wasn't open. I didn't have Zoom open up here. What's up, boys? How y'all feeling? You guys are looking good. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. Good looking crew right there. Looking like some 8-fig traders, man. Sheesh. Where was I yesterday? Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows nothing. Missed you guys yesterday. Leave a like. Magnus, you eating? All right, man. Don't disturb the Viking while he's eating. Okay, cool. So 1 hour candle still open. 30-minute candle did close below the range. So I guess that would be your small stop loss that you're talking about, right? Maybe a break of the low, stops above there. That's the only small stop I see. You know, maybe on the 15, but yeah, let's see where this candle wants to go. The 1 hour candle's still open, so we'll see what happens. Money. Give me 1 sec. AB Mike, how you doing? How are you, brother? How are you? Nice to see you. Oh, nice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We had some birthdays this week, man. We've had some birthdays. I think today's AB Mike's birthday, too. Lit. Yeah. You want a free golf membership for 5 months? Word. I'm jealous. Sinking an eagle. Alright, you earned that. Am I playing golf over the winter? Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Sheesh. I'm playing golf every weekend moving forward. Every weekend until about April. Yeah. And then I'm not playing golf all summer. I'm good on that. You guys have fun. I'm gonna find a new hobby. Right now I got some new guns. I'm stacking some new guns. Stephen B, I might have added some to the lineup. You'll have to see when you come back down. Might have added a few things. let's see how unemployment claims came out. Oh, green numbers here. Oh, Philly Fed with the red. Philly Fed with the red. Unemployment claims though, and GDP all look green here, so. Can we see a sell-off here on gold? Some more sell-offs. 30, I mean, God bless you if you're taking sells here. God bless, G. God bless. Happy 100. He's like a wizard. AB Mike. He's a wizard over here. No top wick. Yeah, sells. Yeah, and this candle and the hour has no top wick, and the last what 2 or 3 30s 2. Yeah, I'm just here for a good time. Yes, Pip Lord, let's go. Blessings. Anyone catch 1,000 pip? Maybe. Who caught the 1,000 pip move there on NASDAQ? I did see 1 or 2 IG gurus throwing that up, so you know, I mean, how could anyone miss it? It was so obvious. If I traded NAS, I would have been in that. Let's go, Pip Lord. Another one. Stepping it up. I'm trying to find someone in the clubhouse that's not dialed in, to be honest. And I don't see a name. I don't see a damn name. Let's get it. You caught 300 pips? Let's go, Dan. W. Danny W's. Let's get it. Danny Dubs. Nice, bro. Send a picture of the chart. I'd love to see your entry and how you handle it all. On a little bit of a bad streak, yeah. Look, if you're on a bit of a rough streak going into the, you know, closing out the year, just take some time to reset. Whoa, we got double Daniel over here. Or am I tripping? All right, there we go. Yeah, really, man. Take some time to reset. Don't let the world force you into doing stupid stuff, and you know you're gonna try and trade like just really, you know, you have to reset the mind. You know, when we talk about flow state, like the thing is with this stream, what I do in terms of helping one get into flow state is much greater than what I do in calling out a trade. So along the line, right, there's been 2 types of individuals that come through this live stream, right? There's the individuals that come here for the trades, and then there's the individuals that come here for the bigger picture, right? And by the way, the picture is bigger when you focus on the bigger picture, right? And the dream is crystallized and it's all there, and getting people in a flow state is much more important to me than just trying to call some trades so you can make a couple dollars here on your demo account, right? Getting you better, right, as an individual will in return get you better as a trader. And that is the more important focus here, right? So that's why you see, again, there's 2 individuals, right? The individual A who comes for the trades is most likely still in the same exact place they were last year. Breaks my heart. It really does, right? And then you got these other traders that bring me so much joy because you can tell they're dialed in. You can tell they're focused. You can tell by what trades they take, by the words that come out of their mouth, by what they type in the chat, that they are dialed in for the long-term vision, and they're getting themselves into flow state so that they can be the best traders, that they could be the best husbands, fathers, wives, blah, 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 right? So if you haven't understood that yet, right, understand that in the spiritual realm, that's what's taking place here. So pick a side, right? Pick a side this year and lock in. Got to, gang. Good morning, C Melly. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, C?
How you doing?
C Millie. We call him C Millie now. We swapped out the E for an I. How you doing? W, Nevin. Caught the sell. Oh, nice, nice. Here comes the candle coming back up. See Melly. Golf next week, brother. I'm looking forward to it. Golf in the tropics, baby. Let's get it. Locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. Some of y'all are too locked in on your loaded mashed potatoes. That's why you can't think straight. Gotta get locked and loaded. This guy. You're hilarious, Stephen B. You're a funny guy. 2 bullets. Let's go, Eric. 2 bullets. 2 bullets. That's it. 1 to 2 trades a day. Who's got any new commitments? Who's got a fresh new game plan and going into the new year? Anybody? I visualized this move, but I didn't have an entry point. I was on, okay, I was on the charts do you have any pointers to, wait, where'd that go? Take advantage of this move? Let's take a look. If it runs, it runs. Yeah, let's take a look here. So, yeah, I like the move. I mean, for me, the candle without the wick would have kept me out of here, though. This one here, closing without that wick. Let me make this red. That candle. So everything looked good. That range looked money, but I don't blame you for staying out. I mean, there was no wick on the bottom there, so that was tough. Yeah, I think this right here was the better move in terms of system, right? Because now you're ripping on this hour candle. What time frame is this? 15 minute? Yeah. So now you're ripping, right? This candle, you got a celery play here. Right, then bam, you take your profits right down there. That's where your partials go, just like you have it. And yeah, full TP down here. So although you couldn't get this entry, sometimes system, right, won't let you in at exactly where you want to get in, right? So now you have to look at, is there another good option, or do I have to let this go, right? So I think you let it go here. You let it go there, and then once the celery shows up, that's when you go, okay, maybe I could step back in here, and this is another good option. So I think that's probably where the play for me would have taken place. Yeah, so I don't blame you for staying out of that one. Yeah. Yeah, because you got to stick to the game plan. You know, at the same time, you still gotta stick to the game plan. You still had more clean range. Clearly, a lot of volume, big rejection. Celery play there would have been probably best. Yeah, and you would have had nice runners there too. Right, price never retraced back up there. Am I tracking meals? Yeah, I am. Yep. Yeah. Now I am. Oh, damn. That was a long... When did you ask that? Oh, my God. Winners or trackers? Yes, brother. Yes. Bless your grandma. Just know all is well. Just know that no matter what, all is well. Be more selective on trades. Yep. And pull stupid trades. Yeah. So when you get really selective on trades, like a lot of people like, oh, you know, you're too picky, you're too selective, but you take good trades, right? Like over the past like 2 weeks, I haven't even had a losing day. I had some losing trades, but not a day, right? So notice that 1 to 2 trades a day seems to be my sweet spot. So it's okay to lose a trade, but if you are selective, right, and the losses that you do take are good losses, then that's okay, right? Because you're gonna answer with another good trade, and that good trade will get you back your loss, right? So it's okay, you know, to lose those trades, but they've got to be system trades. They've got to be playbook trade, you know, not my playbook, your playbook, right? They got to be playbook positions. And the more selective you are, the more opportunity you're gonna have to win. Right? You see people all over the place. They're like, yeah, I took that sell. Oh my God. Right? But then what they didn't tell you was later they took another sell and another one and then a buy. And throughout that process, they lost everything. They lost all the profit, right? So being selective, right? Don't worry about what he's doing or she's doing. Be selective in your approach to your trades. Don't worry about what Jimmy Ding Dong's doing. Don't worry about what Billy Ding Dong's doing. Just focus on what your own edge in the market. That's it. That is it. Let's get it, Sandman. Yeah. I feel like 2024 has been my year to work out all the things that not to do in 2025. Absolutely, man. Great way to look at it. I know how to trade. I just got to stop doing the things that were holding me back. Exactly. Look, I've had a lot of great traders come through the elite program now, and I'll be honest, they know what they're doing. It's just they don't need to start doing anything new. They just have to stop doing some things. In most cases, right? There are going to be traders that need to start doing things, but in most cases, most traders, and this goes for life and success in general, right? It's like, yo, what are you doing? It's like, no, man, let me tell you what I'm not doing. I'm not over trading. I'm not over risking. I'm not taking trades outside of my playbook. I'm not jumping at volume. I'm not deviating from my plan. I'm not drinking on the weekends. I'm not eating cake every freaking night as a snack, right? I'm not scrolling on TikTok. You know, I'm not. What are you not doing? That's what makes you successful, right? That's what's going to make you successful. Everyone knows what to do, right? It's just what do you have to stop doing? AKA, what's in the way, right? Because if you're doing what it takes to win, you should win unless there's still something in the way. And most people just have something in the way, and they just got to learn to get around it. Yep, it's about what you don't do. So good job, Pitbull. 15-minute fade coming. Maybe. Still respecting the lows, and yeah, I don't see it yet, but it could be coming. 1 hour, still struggling. Still got no top wick there. So it makes sense. It makes sense for price to start pushing up here, but it's still pretty bearish. By the way, you guys all know what it is you're doing that's keeping you from succeeding. Your conscience is telling you every single day. So you can't sit here and be like, I don't know what I'm doing. You know, right? We all know what we need to do and what we need to not do, right? You know when you're doing something right, and you know when you're doing something wrong. Let's just be honest. Mr. Gems. How are you, brother? How are you?
What's up, brother? Good to see you. How you doing? What's up, my man? How you doing?
Incredible, Johnny Gems. Incredible. How about you?
Hey, amazing. Blessed and highly favored.
Blessed.
Lovely.
And highly favored, brother.
Yes, sir. Another day to be patient and disciplined. Excited?
Yeah.
What's up, chat? What's going on? Bob, Stephen B. How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Chala. Holy.
Holy Chala.
Chala, can we get a holy?
Holy.
He's just like, he's screaming that right now at the top of his lungs. People are like, yo, whoa, what's this guy doing?
Chala, you sending that in, man, or what?
Full send it, brother. Full send it.
Full margin. Holy.
Johnny's in the Manhattan.
Yeah, man.
Like, see the sun rising over there? Damn.
Wait, where?
I need to link up with USC Melly. You guys got these. I said that sun. Is that the sun rising behind you? In Manhattan.
Yeah, right.
Where's the bunker one that Sam had?
I don't know.
Get him out of the bunker.
I'll have to get that one. Sam had a bunch of different ones, I remember. I gotta get in the president's office, like Sam.
Yeah. What up, Banty FX?
Not Banty.
All right, Chala. We'll be waiting.
Good, Sam, man. Bro, your throat's fine, Chala. Come on.
You gotta go to the sauna, brother. Nice shot of salt. A little bit of honey. 35-40 minutes in the sauna for the next 3 days. Be done. Be good to go. Sam's doing great. Sam, I was actually talking to him the other day. Shout out to Sam Capital. Will we see the return of Sam Capital in 2025? That's the question. That's the question. So. Johnny said he thinks so.
I think so. What's up, Wilkie? What's up, OnlyBands? What's up, Sean? Let's go to the Grand Magnus. Yeah, London session was good to you boys, right?
Yeah, London was excellent. Excellent. Magnus called a damn gem. Straight up. These guys ate without me, so I had to get a little leftovers.
Damn.
Yeah,
you didn't catch that?
They popped before I got there.
Yeah, because I pulled up around London Open. I'm like, damn, that was a beautiful move.
Yeah, the London boys and girls caught a nice one. I think that was right here, right? Yeah, this move right there. Boom. Pre-London. Yeah, and then I came
Magnus,
in late.
what was that, like 2?
I grabbed these little crumbs, and that was it. And we were out of there. Pip and dipped. Glory to
you got in at 8?
Father.
Which trade did you take?
I took the one at wait, no, where's mine? Hold on. I took this one here. So so they took this one. This is the one, the pre-London
Oh, yeah.
trade, and then it left the wick to fill, and then I got in after.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. So it's been
AJ Coop, good trade.
It's been a great week here.
Hell yeah, dude. Another account passed.
Yup.
Oh,
Yep. Yeah, so that
lovely.
one did it for me.
Good work. Good work. Beautiful.
Yeah. Big day on Friday.
Hey,
Friday the 13th, big day.
Seems like you're not trading much either, right? It's like less is more, like one good trade. 1 to 2 good trades a day. Really.
That's it. Taking my
All right,
trades.
what's the need? Like if you make $1,000 on this 150K combine in one day, what's the need of participating anymore in the rest of the day, you know?
Jimmy Ding Dong comes in here. Yo, bro, when you gonna take a trade? I don't know, bro. Whenever the setup shows up. But when it does, I'll be there.
If my ideal target was 1K and I hit that, I'm done trading. Target hit, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely Stephen B. 1K a day keeps the 9 to 5 away, right?
That's it. Easy, too.
Facts. Literally can do that through prop firms. Yeah, it's facts, Juan. So, man.
Nice gold bleeder.
Yeah, I want to be careful with themselves with that no topic on the 1 hour.
Sells, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. Not at this
Oh,
down.
yeah, you're chilling. You got your trade.
Even if I didn't, I mean, look at the 30-minute time frame.
True.
But wait, there's more.
The 1 hour no topic is disgusting. Closing right at support.
Yeah. Facts. You didn't make 30K a day? What a joke. What a joke. What, you're only going to take 1 or 2 trades a day? Such a lame.
Lame.
Soft. Traders trade. Traders trade.
Yo, Jay Coop, man.
Jay Coop being disciplined this
Give
week.
you props for that patience.
Word. Jimmy Ding Dong would be yelling at you on YouTube. But the real traders, the real professionals, they know what's up.
Takes patience to not pull the trigger for a week. Damn. Good work.
I don't blame you. The New York session's been chopping. I think that's pretty much the only session you're trading, right? Right now? So I don't blame you. Yeah, New York session been trash.
Cheers. Might just wait till the New Year's. Damn.
Day trading is not every day. True, true. AB Mike's done for the day. Soft. Soft, AB Mike. Do you even trade?
Bro, what do you mean you're done for the day? Come on.
Done.
Day's just started.
It's only 9 a.m.
Not even NYC
Traders
open
trade,
yet.
bro. Traders trade. You mentioned about no top wick on the 1 hour, but does that matter if there's a big rejection on the 4 hour flip? Yeah. So in today's case, it didn't matter. But here's the deal. Sometimes what happens is, you see how it has no wick on it later on. So sometimes later on, what'll happen is price will do its thing and, you know, whatever, you know, go wherever. But later on, let's say it starts ranging here, right? And you got this range going on now. It will actually, when you get a closure above, it will target that top wick. So you'll notice that the candle comes up right into that range and then pulls back from there. Right, so a lot of times I like to target that area too. You see it up here too, right? So if you get a closure above, that's most likely where price is going to want to go. So you can use it in the here and now, and you can also use it later. Yeah, but I think in today's case, there's just too much bearish pressure, right? Just way too bearish for price to even make a top wick. Am I using live or funded? I use live and funded. Yeah, I've been using live and funded all year. It's good to be free. That's right, man. That's right. Amen, brother. Traders trade. Oh, what do we got here? Isaac. Let's take a look. NQ. Very nice. Break of the lows.
Nice, dude.
Stops previous candle highs. Closing 80%. Lovely, bro.
Nice, Isaac.
Lovely. What was that? Just now? Where was that? Oh, right here? Is that what that was? Yeah, 30-minute time frame. Nice, dude. Good trade. Look at that. Right where you close partials. Money. Money, money. $2 in on the 4-hour candle would have been good. Yeah, so like at that point, especially if there's more structure that'll support the fact that like price gonna go down without making that top wick, then yeah, you can avoid it, you know, kind of ignore it and just consider that one as like a lot of bearish pressure just in that candle. Yeah, that's the thing. You have to judge. There's kind of like two ways to look at them. So you got to make your judgment, you know what I mean? Based off of what's happening. So clearly we got a lot of volume, right? A lot of bears in the market. So Forex had a huge spread on gold. Yeah, I heard about something. There was like some glitch, something going on. I think I heard Raja saying something about it. I think he was saying they're trying to get it all cleared up by like the new year. Pip and dip.
We do a little pip and dipping. It's the best to pip and dip. Yeah, I love it.
True. Glory.
The best is when you when you can get in early and pip and dip. Like London.
Oh,
All right,
man.
Nick, up at G, 2 a.m. What now?
What now?
Now we just, you guys can do whatever. Go to
Now
the
what?
gym, go back to sleep.
Now what? Hashtag now what is about to start trending.
Yes.
And you know what? You know what my hopes are? Is that traders will be like, you know what? Now what? Right? Do we go in for more and give our profits back, or do we just chill? You know, I always think it's best to just chill.
Definitely. If you got a community to trade with, definitely just chilling, hanging out. But if you're by yourself, shut the computer off.
Just shut the front door. That's all you gotta
Shut
do.
it off. Shut the
Go
damn
outside.
thing off. Damn it.
Do you know when it's a good time to size up on a trade? Is it A plus setup and volume? Yeah. You know, there's gonna be those like unique conditions on that trade that you're gonna just say this is just too money, right? A lot of things are just gonna line up, and those are the ones you can size up. And then sometimes what's gonna happen is like, let's say you're waiting for like I don't know, a breakout, right? So you're looking over here, and then all of a sudden price does break out. So price breaks out of the range, right? There's a lot of volume coming in, and let's say you are ready to take a buy on this next candle, and so you get in, right? But the buy doesn't really go anywhere, so it kind of closes like this, right? So you kind of went back into drawdown, but now you're noticing that candles are still closing above the range, right? Or let's say it even closes like this, right? Something like that. So now you know, hey, we're still closing above the range, and now you could actually add, right? Because this is going to make it a higher probability setup, especially if you have like a decent wick to fill on that candle. So let's say you're already in for one contract. This is where you can add that second contract on the break, on the new candle breaking that high. And then that's how you can add size to your trades. So there's multiple ways to do it. Some you can add more to a trade. Some trades you're gonna just add it, you know, or go in with bigger size. So every single trade is gonna be a bit unique.
Yep.
Might have to run to Chick-fil-A while gold is bleeding, eh? What are you getting, Jake?
Yo, Nick, warn him.
Nah, I'm not. No warnings. Hey, a man's gonna do what a man wants to do. Man, I miss Chick-fil-A.
Jay Coop. Yeah, Chick-fil-A was the best. You know what I would do? I'd get a chicken sandwich, a spicy chicken sandwich with a mac and cheese, and put the mac and cheese on top.
Stop.
Yeah, bro. Maybe a couple waffle fries too on it.
Oh, yeah, those waffle fries were wild.
Right?
I actually haven't had Chick-fil-A in probably over a year and a half. It's been a minute. At least a year.
Yo, maybe that should be your once a year cheat meal. Yeah, Jay Coop, what are you gonna get, bro?
Oh, we don't call it chicken sandwich anymore. It's just the sandwich. Really? How come? You know, the same reason why we don't call 100K accounts 100K accounts anymore. They're sim 100K accounts. So are you telling me the chicken's not real? I'm not saying nothing. Gotcha.
Let me get some of that fake chicken.
It's that bickin right there. It's that bickin.
Yeah.
You got the fickin? Let me get the fickin sandwich.
Nah, Zaxby's? Nah.
Yo,
Zaxby's ain't it.
I ain't never walked up in a Zaxby's. Is it good?
I've had it once, and I personally didn't like it.
Yeah, I used to work for this company. We're like at their corporate, doing the corporate sales, and had a bunch of different locations. And I had never heard of Zaxby's chicken before in New York, but we did business all over the country. So I remember people would be like, "Yo, is that near the Zaxby's chicken?" And then when I moved to Florida, I'm like, "Oh damn, there's Zaxby's chicken," but I never went in there and ate.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least do 10,000 steps before hitting that up. Facts, Daniel.
Yeah. As long as you hit 10K steps, you can't do anything wrong.
Yeah. Like Daniel, I hit 30,000 steps on vacation once, and I just ate whatever I want and felt amazing the next morning.
Where are all the cows?
Yeah. Stephen B, when you're reading the ingredient list and it's like you're reading a speech or it's taking a while, you know it's bad. It's like, wait, I've been sitting here for 5 minutes. I haven't even finished reading it.
Yeah, and you know how evil they are? And they might take this stream down, but they'll put this little sign on the bottom of the door. And on that sign, you can't read these letters with a
Small letters.
Yeah, you can't read these letters with what is it called? A microscope, man. But in that paragraph, it just tells you straight up, hey, this is blah, 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 blah. But I'm not going to say anything. You could go read it for yourself. This is for entertainment purposes only, and we're just kidding around here. We do believe that the American citizen people should go to school. They should get educated, and they should go get jobs, work that 40 years, take advantage of the government by getting a 401k and insurance.
Yeah, you need that 401k.
Healthcare, and all that good stuff. We're
Yeah, you
just
need that
encouraging you guys to
401k.
read what's in front of you.
Allow your children to get indoctrinated by the government schools, and everything's gonna be great.
Please turn on the television and listen to everything that they're saying. Oh man. And if you're ever offered any French fries, no, we won't go there. We won't go there.
Magnus, that was crazy, dude. Yeah, we can't talk about that now.
Bring back the old Nick.
Yo, J Coop though, you should get those chicken minis, bro. Those were looking valid.
Stop talking.
Before we got on the plane yesterday, my girl actually got Chick-fil-A. I was like, don't do it, but she didn't listen to me. I didn't get anything, but yeah, she got them chicken minis. Those were looking pretty valid.
Way to stay strong, John. Way to stay strong.
I'm like, babe, it's 6 in the morning. I'm fasting.
John said, I'm fasting, dude.
It's good though. She barely does that, so we let it slide, you know. I can't go back to Nick and tell him my girl got Chick-fil-A. He'll look at me like I'm crazy.
Yeah, my girl don't get Chick-fil-A no more. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna eat no Chick-fil-A in this house.
Oh damn, you used to work there, J Coop? Wow.
Let's go. I hope you took some selfies for when you're an 8-figure trader.
Facts, bro. Chick-fil-A to 8-figure trader.
Yeah, I like that.
Really, Juan? Chick-fil-A was your first job?
Who else worked
That's
at
awesome, bro.
Chick-fil-A?
My pleasure. I would have been overusing that word OD. My pleasure.
My pleasure. Hey, I worked at Panera Bread for about 16 hours. After that, I was gone.
Yeah. Yeah, I could just picture Nick working. I can't picture Nick working anywhere.
Paychecks
That's
at
the funny thing.
16 hours. That's what I was docked for.
Man said Panera.
Oh, man.
Can't imagine walking in and seeing you there.
Me neither, bro.
I wouldn't want you to take my order. Definitely not.
Nah. You don't. Trust me. I was out there. I was in the back eating cookie dough. Acting like it was all good. That cookie dough in the fridge? Stop playing.
Damn, bro.
Who's ever had the cookies?
Raw cookie
chocolate
dough is
chip
the
cookies
best.
from Panera Bread. The cookie dough is better than the pay.
Man just went there to eat the cookie dough. Damn.
You want to come in for 6 hours today? And eat some cookie dough?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
Yo, damn J Coop.
Sheesh.
Man, was that Chick-fil-A. Bro, J Coop, how many times did you say my pleasure a day?
Hey, Coop. Looking fresh, brother.
Yeah, he could, J Coop, you could always rock something. Any fit, bro.
Why does everything have water on it? Oh, man. Yeah, our Panera Bread and your Panera Bread might be totally different Panera Breads. Got that chicken noodle soup, man. Hey, I used to go to Panera Bread. I would get like a chicken noodle soup and a chocolate chip cookie. How you doing? Random
Sounds
combo.
terrible.
More random than bacon and strawberries.
Soup and a chocolate chip cookie, bro. It's
Hey, not gonna lie,
it's gotta be terrible.
nah, that soup that they had like in the bread, like they made like a bowl out of the bread. That was actually pretty fire.
feel like I've seen that before.
What's up, Marcus? I'm trading on a futures account, but we're trading gold. So if you trade gold on Forex, like XAUUSD, over here it's just a futures account. Yeah, the numbers might be a little different for you, but price action for the most part should be good.
Hey, a chart's a chart.
Up until about a week ago. About a week ago, it was all good just a week ago. And then there's some sort of glitches going on.
Hey. Throw my hat up.
Yeah, yo, the bread bulls, dude. I haven't had one in a while. I don't think I've had one since I cracked that $350 trade on AUD USD that just lit me up. Golfers, you know when you hit that first nice shot?
Yeah.
You're just chasing that forever? Bro, that was AUD USD that one day. And Panera Bread gave me $350, man. I was like, babe, we're gonna be rich. We're gonna be rich. Hit her with the ha laugh and all that. And then for the next 2.5 years, I lost about $35,000.
Then, yeah, that's that beginner's luck, bro. We all got it.
But eventually, we got it.
Even me, like 200 on my first trade. Like, come on. And then boom, like you lost a bunch of money.
Yep. That was fun. Best trade in 2025. There was, or 2024. There was a lot of good ones. We were trying to think of that the other day. Yeah, I think they were all good. One that stands out would probably be recently.
Maybe that.
Call like 100 pips last month for FOMC. Yeah, this trade.
Really, I was gonna say a 930 juice box off support, 100 pips plus.
Good. I like this trade.
That one. Oh my god, that's the one I was just thinking about.
Yeah. I like this one too because I got a bit more aggressive and kind of did some things that I was wanting to do for a little bit on this trade. So yeah, that was good. And it just nailed target perfectly. But there's been a lot of really good trades this year. A lot of really good fade positions. Just an overall great year. I don't take those trades, you know, like you won't see me taking trades that look like this. You know, if you're looking for like one of those great trades of the year, like you won't see me, you know, dealing with all this higher lows and pullbacks and, you know, mine are just one candle. One candle.
Yeah.
Like you won't see me in a trade that's like, yeah, I got it up here and just, you know, held through it all, you know, and stuff like that. And just got down to my TP and just missed my TP. Had to sit in that thing for another 2.5 days, right? And then finally, you won't see me doing that stuff. So all my trades are like, bam, like literally, I think my average trade time is 13 minutes.
Quick trades, yo.
Yeah. Worst trade was probably the 2 trades I broke my rule. So I broke my rules twice this year.
It's fun.
I'm trying to find. Let's see if we can find them. So those are my worst trades. The 2 trades I broke my rules on were the worst trades. And then keep in mind we had those tough trades in February too. It's almost like as if those are forgotten.
Oh yeah, I remember those. Damn.
Yeah.
That's a distant memory.
I think this was a crappy trade. Hold on. Oh no.
It's crazy how, you know, even experienced traders sometimes slip every now and then. Very rare, but every now and then still slip. What do you think that is? Like, what do you think you did something different on those days? Like in your routine or something like that? Is it just that you're human?
You're just a human. You're not perfect.
Exactly. Thank you. That was the answer I had in mind.
Still learning, yeah, still learning to be disciplined. And once you get that discipline in place, it makes everything a lot easier. Once you no longer do the things that kind of hurt your trading, now you can gain some momentum, and then you can see clearly on what you can do to improve your trading.
Right. And if you can identify the problem, be aware of it, that's a big W.
The best trade of the year was the fade introductory. Yeah, we really made some moves on the fade this year. Like, we made some big moves. Yeah, this is the year at glance. Started off okay. Came out the gate, first trade of the year, break even. Had a decent month. There was like 3 losses this month, but all the rest of them were pretty much winners. And then February is where we ran into a bit of an issue right out the gate. So that's where we took a bunch of losses here, and not even a bunch, just like 6-7 losses. As you can see, the month was horrible, right? Just started off just rough month all throughout that month. Really just stopped trading midway through that month. So notice here, you may not have noticed that in live time, but take a look at this, right? February 16th was the last trade I took in February, and then the first trade in March was taken on the 5th. So that means that I went almost 20 days without taking a trade, right? So had to get my basically confidence back, right? Belief back. Ended the month with 3 nice small wins. I remember my only goal to end the month was to just get some green on the board. That was it. I was moving. We just my wife had just given birth to Kingman, and we were all over the place. And my trading, it reflected on my trading too, So yeah. So then March, picked it back up. Right around this time in March, I had a mentor. I hired a mentor, someone who does 8 figures in trading. We broke it down. We just broke things down, right? And went to work, switched up the mindset, got the mentality back, started understanding that the system was dialed in for us to have a big year, and just got my confidence back in that, and just started executing like an animal. And after that mentorship class, things started to turn around, right? 1 loss there, and then we just started going on a run, right? Just started running. Another little loss there, running, and this is where things really picked up as we moved into the year, right? So April was an incredible month. May was even better. May, we just started continue to execute, continue to swing. That's where we started taking impulse entries, impulse trades. That's where we started gathering data for the fade. This is before we even called it the fade, right? And we're just stacking wins on it, collecting the data, just going on a run here. This, I think we were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in May, and I think we had like 20 something wins. So May was amazing. June was even better. Believe it or not, June was even better. So we just went off. Started taking, look at all these fade positions that got added. 1, 2, look at all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Look at them all. Right? So we just started going to work. And June was probably the highest amount of trades I took ever. Yeah, we took a lot of trades in June, man. A lot of trades. Record was insane. I forget exactly what the June record is, but wild month. And as you can see, June has been a really good month of mine. This is last year, right? So any when you see the gap in, that's between the years, right? So 2023 only had 1 loss in June. So June seems to be my big money year over the last 2 or 3 years. So did really good there in June. July just kept the momentum going, just didn't stop, just kept moving. Had a great experience in July, moved through July really well. August came in, and yeah, it did pretty good in August. I think September. Yeah, September is where we kind of got caught up in some losses there. But the tail end of September was really good, right? We finished that month really strong, dealt with some adversity here and there. And look, they were celery plays, right? They were celery plays that are typically really, really good positions. And again, these aren't plans that I broke. These aren't trades that I broke my plan on. These are just trades that ended up being losers. So yeah, so I had a couple losses, you know, in mid-September, and then just turned it around. You know, turned it around through the tail end of that month. Took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 trades there. One loss out of those last 12 or 13. So was very happy with that. And again, didn't really change anything. Didn't do anything different. Just continued to execute on the playbook. October was awesome. You know, we had some couple losses here. Choppy markets on the daily for that like 2-3 weeks there. So a little choppy. November was like, you know, it was decent. It was an okay month. Nothing too crazy. Started off pretty good with Trump, and now we're here in the last month of the year. Yeah, I just got the links. I got to fill everything out here. I was lazy this month. But yeah. So overall, it's been a really solid month, you know, for the most part. Yeah. Throughout all accounts, looking really good. Yeah. It's like 24, almost 25,000. So.
Freaking W.
Yeah. But it's been one heck of a year, man. One heck of a year. And it's coming to an end tomorrow. Pretty much, so wild.
Is
wild.
It?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes, so yeah.
Last real
True.
trading week of the year is right here.
Very true, actually.
So tomorrow's Friday, and then again, I'll be in the clubhouse for like an hour, 2 hour every day. But this is it, man. This is us wrapping it up. W year. Yeah, rolling into 2025. So price just doesn't want to let up here. Just keeps driving bearish. Will you break your rule tomorrow on the last day? Give the people what they want. Hey, tomorrow we'll take a trade on the 5-minute time frame. How about that?
Let's do it. Let's have some fun on the practice account.
It wouldn't be fun on the practice account. Do I trade prop firms? Yeah. Yeah. Futures, CFDs, both of them. Yup, and live capital. Also chilling on this, tried out this live or whatever, sim funded or whatever.
Three.
So that's going
Sim.
on too. Made 3,500 yesterday on that account. How you doing? I might have broke some.
Man is a savage.
I'm a little nervous about that one because I think I might have an issue there.
Yeah, you did.
They're like, dude, you
I
can
gotta
make
learn.
$3,500 in a day. It's like, why not?
I know, bro. Your profit target definitely increased. So like, if you break that rule, like consistency rule, you don't get like breached or anything like that. You just have a new overall target to climb to.
Yeah. Screw it. I'll get to 10K and then just kind of like settle it down.
Yeah, man.
Bring it back down.
Hey, bro. Yeah.
What's up, Dropout Trader? Tomorrow, NQ, 1 minute? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. W DJ Scratchers. Just the beginning, my friend. Just the beginning. Say something about the YouTube channel. Yeah, so the YouTube channel is going really good. You know, we'll continue the live streams here in the new year. We will really start to focus on putting out and delivering content that we can post as videos, right? So I think a lot of my YouTube channel here right now is solely based around live streams. So in 2025 is where I sit the camera down, do a little bit more talking, share a little bit more insight and some data sets, some gems, things like that. Just some things that I think will help traders and give the YouTube channel a little bit more of a look outside of just the live streams. So those are my plans for 2025, is to probably kick back on the live stream time a little bit, give more of that to the clubhouse, but at the same time put more content up on YouTube, so that way you can go back to those videos and they'll just be stacked with gems.
Facts.
What's up, Options? How are you, bro? 1 minute, owe me some money. What lot size did I start trading with? And how long throughout the journey it took to reach 10? Like 4 years to reach like 10. 3 years? 3 years? 4 years? Yeah, you gotta earn your size. You know, not just you gotta earn your size, right? But more so because you have to earn it psychologically, right? You gotta earn it mentally, emotionally. It's not just about putting it on, right? Because if you are uncomfortable with 10 lots, right, you can get into a beautiful position and just let it, you know, just either close early or make decisions that you shouldn't be making, right? So you got to be careful when you're oversizing and when you're undersizing. Is, you know, sometimes that can get you. So you got to find your sweet spot and then start there, and, you know, just continue to work your way up, right? Because if you're too heavy in a trade, you're going to be very antsy in that trade. You're not going to know how to manage it the best, right? You're going to see 3 pips, 4 pips, and you're going to close, right? Whether you're winning or losing, because the money is going to be a lot bigger than you're used to. So there's no point in over risking, right? Because you're never going to manage that trade with professionalism anyway. And then if you under trade, you may reach your target, but you're like, that's not enough for me. I'm going to keep holding, right? And then you get caught holding the bag. So you got to find that sweet spot, and, you know, you really got to get your trade management down too. You know, make sure you're making decisions when you're supposed to be, and yeah.
Yep. Tell you, man, because those are the things that your trading edge in terms of entering can't help you with, you know, is your money management,
Exactly.
trade management, capital management. So tell you, man, there's like 2 plans within itself. It's not only just execute on the edge, but then it's that trade management plan as well.
True.
So a lot of people will be neglecting that, and that's very important, you know.
We broke that down in the clubhouse yesterday. Really good too.
Yeah, we really did.
And that's when you begin your trading career. You see, right now you're in college, right? Right, like kids in college don't get paid, right? It's not until they graduate. So when will you graduate, right? When will you actually hone in on a system and then get your psyche right? Because once those 2 things are, and they don't have to be perfect, and by the way, they never will, but they've got to be at a certain level, you know. And once you get them there, that's where your career really begins. Yep. Because I could say, hey, all those trades in June, I could say, hey, that was the most trades I took ever as a professional, right? See, I took way more trades in a month than that before, but I wasn't at a disciplined level yet, right? I was still at a very newbie, rookie, you know, type of level at that point. So I was taking sometimes 15 trades in a day. So have I taken more trades than that in June? Absolutely. I took more than that in a week in June, I'm sure, at one point. But when I really got disciplined to a system, to edge, and really started begin to control my emotional side of things, that's when I feel like you start. You know, that's when you graduate, and that's when you get your job. And then your job
Facts,
is going
dude.
to be
Yep.
to run this system that you learned and stay composed, right? Day in and day out.
Yep. And when we're focusing on risk management, right? A lot of people just like to focus on the trade management and neglect the capital management. Really, you really need to have good capital management skills as well as trade management skills to really, you know, survive and trade for another day, right? You got to develop the skills, like of an example of losing a certain amount of money and just shutting the computer off because you're preserving your capital, right? So we can eliminate over trading and revenge trading. But it's a skill in itself to develop.
Again, it's not what you have to do more of, but what you have to do less of, right? What do you have to get rid of is the big thing.
Yep.
And we're here to help that, you know, with that. So, you know, we don't just talk to talk. We know what traders are struggling with. We've struggled ourselves. You know, we've walked a lot of traders through that process, and we've seen them come out on the other end, you know, and we've done the same thing. So there's nothing wrong with being at that level. It's staying at that level that's an issue.
Yes.
So what are we doing here, Goldie? Super bearish still. 15-minute ranging. 30-minute looking like it wants to break the low and just continue driving down here. 1 hour also closed pretty strong bear. 4 hours still open. Yeah. Daily trying to flip. $9.30, we got volume. We're gonna keep going down or what here, Goldie? Is anyone taking trades here? What you guys doing? You got a couple looks here, right? You got a potential celery. You got a so-so support being formed, not the greatest one at all, while you're heavily bearish. 1 hour close below. What are you guys doing? I'm gonna be waiting for these XFAs tonight.
Yeah, I'd be doing the same. Smart man. Well, are you gonna wait to trade those till the new year, or are you gonna trade those in these last 2 weeks? Because we're coming on Christmas week and New Year's week here.
Probably not. Let's see ES real quick.
If you trade it, you'll go small, right?
Very small. But that's a good way to go into the new year. You know, I had that written down on my goal board too, was to go into the new year with a couple XFAs, and you know, we did it, right? So you don't know when these things are come about, right? But that's why we talk about writing your goals, visualizing your goals, reading them every day, like really paying attention to your goals, right? I had no idea how I would get the XFA, right? Or what? I just knew I would get it, right? By the end of the year, because that's what my dominating thoughts were. So here it is.
You're dominating.
You know what I mean? You just got to do your part and leave the rest up to a higher power than yourself.
Yep. And like the Owl and the Devil, Think and Grow Rich says, your dominating thoughts will attract through the shortest and most convenient route their physical counterpart.
Exactly.
That's
what happened.
That's what Nick did.
So just as sure as you know where you're going to spend Christmas in next week, I just as sure knew that I would hit XFAs by the end of the year, and some other things that I can't tell you about just yet.
It's like you can't even explain that. You can't even explain that law. That law is just a law of nature. Like it's like the law of gravity. If you fall down a building, you'll go down. If you think in positive terms, you'll achieve positive results. Like it's the same law as the law of gravity. That's how nature's laws work. Yeah, we just have to abide by them.
Yep. You don't have to know. You don't even have to believe it. You don't have to believe in gravity, but that doesn't mean that if I don't drop this, it ain't falling. Just because you don't believe it doesn't make it real or not, right? So same thing. I can say, hey, speak your goals into existence. And one of you guys start doing it and one of you guys don't believe in it, you'll see the difference. You'll see the slight edge over the next couple months, right? About who actually gets better results.
Yes, sir.
We can't explain it. It's beyond our perception.
Yeah, that's not a man-made law. It's a law of Mother Nature.
Don't try and break your brain here thinking about it. Just do it. Just do it.
Don't overthink it. What Israel Nightingale says, right? He says, do the work, but don't like think about how you're going to accomplish it. Leave that to a power that's greater than you. The power that's greater than you is God, and God and his natural laws. So just leave it to that.
S&P trying to recover the move here. Just a nice push up there on the open. Take a look at NQ. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look, Juan. Let's take a look. All right. So daily, from what it looks like, is still pretty bearish. 4 hours making its way up. We don't know if this is creating the daily top wick or what it wants to do, because if you look left, we can see here that, you know, we're closed right at support there. So let's see what this 4 hour candle is doing on the 1 hour. Well, yeah, wow, candle closed with no wick at the top. Then you got a bearish closure. This is the open here. So just consolidating there in the open. Maybe it makes a new resistance, and if that's the case, then buys look pretty good above there. In terms of the sells, yeah, probably below here. You're still bearish on the daily, so that's your range. You know, you might get this wick fill. Yeah, that's your current range. If you can see it,
yeah, Seguin slays. It really is, man. Through my study of like studying successful individuals, that was the one thing they all had in common. They all were positive thinkers. So it's like a part of that process of becoming a success, you know? Positive inputs lead to positive outputs.
you have to study the subconscious mind. It all begins there. So if you have no knowledge on the subconscious mind, it's no surprise that you're just going wherever the world takes you. So you got to work on it. You got to pick up books like The Power of the Subconscious Mind, Outwitting the Devil, The Magic of Thinking Big and Think and Grow Rich, and you gotta work on it. You gotta learn about it. You know, it's no problem, right, that you don't know it now, because most of our parents weren't educated at the level to teach us these things, right? It's not till later on where you run into this crazy guy on a YouTube live stream, or in my case, I ran into this crazy guy talking on stages all across the world, and he began to explain to me what the subconscious mind was, right? Read books like What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, right? These are books that are going to dial you in, get you into flow state. But if you just sitting there like, well, I don't want to read the books, what else could I do? You missed it, right? You're missing it. You know, you got to find pleasure in the work.
Sir.
There's no this is the shortcut. Like, this is it. The shortcut that you're looking for is right here. Why are you trying to shortcut this?
There is no shortcuts. I love that.
Yeah.
This is the shortcut.
The man who takes more pride in the steps that it takes to, you know, get the result over the result itself will never be stopped. Ever.
Damn.
Like, I got to the point in one of my businesses, I didn't even care. They're like, yo, what if you don't make money in this thing? I don't care if I don't make money. This thing is amazing. I have grown, I have become, I have overcome, I have become a different individual, right? And this was like in my early 20s. I didn't even care. I fell in love with the work. You kidding me? Come up every day and just every day I'm just like almost acts as if I'm an offering, right? To the world, to my family. Like we owe it to the world to get up every day, shake it off and get moving. The only shortcut is hiring a mentor. Yeah, exactly. Yep. And everyone wants to know how's it all gonna go? I'll be honest. If God said here Nick, you really want to know everything here, this is what it's gonna take. I don't know if I would have done it. All right. Looking back, if I would have known, well, you're gonna have to go through this over here, and you're gonna have to go through that at that point, and then
it's gonna take some time,
right? I don't know if I would have done it, right? I don't know if I would have been willing to commit. So don't always think you need or want to know everything, right? You can only connect the dots looking backwards in life. Don't try and connect them looking forward. You know, just do what you know is right to do, follow that, and let that law of success take over. If you don't want to read, listen to audiobooks. Yeah, there you go. Find a way to win. Do you remember Luke? He was trading London. It sounds familiar. Yeah, it sounds familiar.
Louis G.
Yeah, I think I remember Luke. London Luke or something like that, right? Those guys are pretty good. I think they were students of Raja's students. Oh man. Yeah, I did not see that video. I didn't see it, no. Nope. Yeah, that's true, Jacob. Very hard. That's what I'm saying. Like, if one knows everything it would take, I don't think one would really be interested in that goal anymore.
Yeah, really, man. So true.
That's why you gotta be a dog. All right, so this thing's breaking the lows here. Who's in this seller play? Anyone?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Cool. I am done trading here for the day. I gotta wait on my new accounts. If anything, take it on my the live account.
That's smart, dude. I may like next week just trade on the practice account too until that first week in January after the New Year's.
Why not?
Just so I can keep getting reps in, right? Like, still want to show up every day.
Yeah.
Get my reps in, mark my charts.
I think I would say second week in January is where a lot of heavy hitters will be stepping back in.
The 6th, right? Yeah.
The 10th, I think 10th. I'm not sure what it is.
Oh, is it? All right.
8th or
Thought
10th.
the 6th.
Small size, nice. Raj said don't trade till the 17th. Holy.
Hey, yo, chill. That's on a Friday. Why would we start trading on Friday? Well, you were thinking you said the 10th too, Nick?
I think I seen the 10th was like a Monday. Is it the 6th?
That's a Friday. The 6th is the Monday.
Okay, yeah. So that Monday we'll be back on the live streams. Yeah, I think every day we'll be in the clubhouse outside of like Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Other than that, I'll be in there for a little bit every day.
Weird. I mean, we could still even be there Christmas Eve, you know, until the nighttime.
I got a big party I'm going to and all that, so.
Oh yeah, it's true.
You could be there though, brother. You can be there.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I meant, yeah.
All right, say less. Say less, Chad. Johnny Gems will be there Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Ho, ho,
Let's freaking
ho.
go.
Merry Christmas. He's going to deliver the
Chat,
goods.
excuse me. Yeah, if chat's not busy and stuff. Sorry.
Deliver the goods, Johnny Gems, like Santa Claus.
My voice quaking, chat.
He's quaking.
It's crazy. Let's go with it. I need to go to the voice doctor. Steven B, what you know about that? You help me? What's up, Z Gamer?
Yeah, you got to be in like a Santa Claus outfit for that one.
Yeah, Jay must stop sitting above the high of that current candle.
So right here.
Yeah. TPs, those supports. Just look good to me. 15 breakout, 30 celery, 1 hour breakout.
9:30, yep.
9:30.
Bearish here today.
4 hour trending down. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, you know? Can't cry about it.
Can't cry.
More so the reps here, you know? Like, it's more so just me executing on edge.
Yep.
Following my plan, that's it.
Throwing
That's the main.
Just chilling.
The main thing, yep. Small size here.
Yeah, what about you guys, chat? Are you guys trading all throughout the rest of the week next week, or what are you guys doing? Who's hanging it up for the year? Who's still trading? Talk to me, talk to me. Cat's got your tongue here today, chat. Chat's got your
What's
tongue.
today, Thursday?
Done for done? Focusing on cryptos. Okay, bro, look at you. Still be trading? Still trading? Nice, nice. Can't stay away. I'll be trading. Nice. Nice. Tomorrow might be your last day, yeah. Maybe only Tuesday of next week. Nice, nice. Probably gonna trade in January. Stay in the groove. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, stay in the groove, even if it's on a practice account and all that.
Hell yeah.
Christmas Day.
That's what I'll be doing.
Yo,
If I'm not trading on my real account these next 2 weeks, I'll definitely be trading on the practice account just so I can get my reps in, like I said. Repetition.
Chat, you gotta have them cookies for New Year's Eve though for John.
Not for me, for Santa. Hell. I'm fasting. Yeah, PM Magnifico. I'm looking at those supports there to the left coming down. I think those are a good target.
The Prater Trader, how are you, brother? Hope you're doing well. Hope the family's good.
Up the Prater Trader?
If I wanted to learn your method, how would I go about doing it? I have this free YouTube live stream where we stream every New York session, and then I have the inner circle here. the clubhouse, which that's where we really do a lot of live trading and live trading education. For Asian session, London session, New York session, we have webinars every Saturday that are very informational. So that's probably the two best ways to go about it. Yeah, if you want to lock in, that's going to be your two best ways to go about this.
Yup.
Yeah. Some
and I would lock in
on a beginner level where it's probably best to stay on the YouTube live stream, and then some of you guys I know are ready to take it to the next step, ready to get into the clubhouse and further your education.
Yeah. It's time to lock in.
Sandman, what's good? We pulling some Bitcoin profits or what?
Nice, Sandman.
You're welcome, Greg. You're welcome, bro.
Yeah, Norbert. What's up, Norbert? That was the vantage point that I'm looking at, those supports there.
Yeah, if anyone trades the London session, the clubhouse is such a vibe. I've really enjoyed London. I think I'll continue to trade London. I don't mind waking up early either like that. Such a good time. The crew up there is amazing too. Calling it a day. All right, Greg. Blessings, man. See you later.
Peace, Greg.
Gonna start trading sugar. Start trading some corn. How about that? I'll be trading demo account, preparing for the next year. Nice. Yeah. A lot of my friends they haven't even traded at all this month. They kind of hung it up last month. Took a little off the top. Good man. Good man. Good man. Just observing. Nice. Nice, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, nor my thoughts. I know we're pretty far down here. That's why I'm just risking according to the condition, you know, going lower size here. But yeah, it was really that higher time frame, lower time frame correlation, and then the 30 celery. I wouldn't have taken this unless I had the 30 celery. I would wait on a retracement.
Yeah.
Those are really my thoughts, Norman.
My sleep schedule? I wake up at 2:20 a.m. every day. 2:05 to 2:20 every day. Outside of Saturday and Sunday, I wake up at like 5. Saturday and Sunday is where I sleep in. Sleep in till about 5. And then one Sunday of every month. Well, actually I haven't done it in a month or so. I'll just let myself wake up whenever. And usually that's like 7 a.m. The latest. XRP, nice. Four-hour closure coming up? Yeah, 4-hour close coming up here. We'll see how we do. The celery trying to work out here at 9:30.
Where's that volume at? 930? No volume?
What do you got, like 17 pips? Let's see if you get that push.
Where?
I smell some volume coming in right now, to be honest. I could just feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What up, Sujay? What's good?
Sujay.
What's my skin routine like?
That's CJ.
Beef tallow everywhere. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, the 4-hour could drive. A nice little push to close up, like just push into that support. I'm telling you, I feel like you got volume coming in here. You can just like feel it in the candles. Can you feel it? This area, not the worst to close partials, right? You're 25 pips up. You come into that support, the little wicks here. You know, you got a 72 pip drop here potentially, but this would probably be my first little target, 24 pips out. But I just feel the volume coming in here. 4-hour might drive down to close.
If I already took a green trade, I wouldn't be in this trade right now.
Pushing nice though. Dreamed of XRP price rising. Let's go. This is the same trade I took to pass my 100K. Let's take a look. Yeah. Bleeder. Stops in profit. Nice. Yeah, nice. Pretty strong closure there. Practice account? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, it's nice. Reminds me of like one of Raja's like impulse entries. Right here. Break of the low. Going BE. All right. Do it. Oi. Oi.
Oi.
Sam was creeping around in Zoom the other day. He was lurking. Y'all didn't see him though. Who's seen Sam?
Sam's always lurking.
He texted me, said, yo, I'm in Zoom right now, lurking. No one knows I'm here.
I love that.
Bink, bink.
Bro, Sam the man.
Sammy Sosa.
Bink, bink.
Can we get that push on the 4-hour?
Yes, sir. The DJ scratches. Feel a grand. Opening up 100K. Ooh. Fire. Nice pip load. Practice account. A lot of you guys be using that practice account with Top Step. That's great. First pass challenge after a year and a half of trading. Dude, let's go, man. W, bro. That's what I'm talking about. And if it wasn't going to be that challenge, it would be the next, right? And if I fail another one, then I'll pass the next one. That's the mindset. Nice, bro. Good work. Nice. Yeah, use the practice account to sample size new trade setups and ideas. I like it. Love it. Yeah, I like that too. Sample size it. Use it to sample size it. Use it to get your reps in. It's a great feature. You know, I love that about Top Step that they gave that. Let's go, Juan. Hey, yo, next best trade, bro. That's it. Next best trade. Don't even think about it, right? Think about the charts. One good trade. Yeah, I think that could be the one thing that really could mess up a trader in their head is like, you know, the idea that in the combo we have to hit this target, you know, to pass. And if we think about the target too much, we can start to tend to think more about the money versus the charts. And I think if you could just put that in the back of your head and just continue to focus on the charts, that's when I think we hit the target. Right? You hit the target without even really thinking about it. It's just we follow the plan to hit the target. Let's get YOLO Trader. Yo, chat, if you haven't yet, please give the stream a like. Nick doesn't have to be here. He really doesn't. He could be doing something else right now. But the fact that he is here, give him a like. Come on. It's the least you could do. Dude's giving a bunch of free value for no reason. Just because he wants to. He could be with his wife and kids right now, but he's here. So give the stream a like. The value he brings here is unreal.
That warm bed. That lovely warm bed.
Bro could be in his warm bed right now.
Could be, but wouldn't want to. I'm just a damn offering to the world, man. That's it. I'd give him a hug if I could. Hug it out, baby. Hug it out.
Trey with Dan, get up here, bro. Give him a hug.
Pull him up. Pull him up. Get him on up here, Donald Trump. Everyone's killing it, Magnus.
Everyone's just being a good student. Yep.
Process focused. So anybody got any questions? Anyone got any questions before we head out? Otherwise, we'll get moving here. Sugar cells? Yeah, I'm in there. It's a swing trade though. I'm in a swing on sugar. I ain't down.
Hey, no, I ain't down. Trading sugar now.
Why should I not enter cells right now? Because this wick came down towards the bottom of the range and price been pushing down since for about 300 pips now without any sort of real retracement. So you don't want to take a sell right here at the bottom of the range. I think the celery was one thing, but now we've come all the way down, right? From that celery entry, that's been like, what, like 30 pips? 44 pips. So, yeah, I don't think it's wise. I think maybe a nice little retracement and then a sell could be a little bit better of an idea.
Yeah, Ace FX, man. Like it's really the same as Forex, bro. You know, like trading gold and Forex is the same as trading gold and futures. A chart's just a chart. So it's really just that environment like you're trading with, you know, like that's really the only difference.
Yep.
But it works the same, you know, it's the same thing.
Yep. Been here since November. W. Yes, sir, Mr. Lopez. Want to hit the previous lows? It's not guaranteed. You know, it's not guaranteed. So that's why anytime I'm looking at lows like that or wicks to fill, I always close like a little shy of it, just in case it doesn't want to come all the way down.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, it could though. You know, it could still retest. But I would have probably been looking for that on that 930 candle.
Yeah. But that's good though. You're taking profits as the trade is heading in that area of target, right? You don't need it to hit it on the exact decimal point, right? A target is not just like a support is not just a number, like a straight number, like 1831. Like it's an area of like 1829 and 1832 where there's support and rejection. So it's like getting in that area, you know, that's when you start taking some profits, taking partials. And don't just wait to get it. Don't just wait to hit it on the exact decimal point, because that won't always happen. Yeah. And there's been plenty of trades where it made my P&L look terrible, you know, where I didn't close anything and ended up either stopping out or BE, you know,
well,
just because I didn't want to, just because I wanted what, 50 more bucks.
Yeah, is you just closing partials, being willing to close those partials out and take your profits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Been here since around April. Let's go.
I'll be. Yeah, Norbin, I closed. We got like 45 pips or something by entry.
Yeah, nice 45. Don't close at the right time. Yeah, even like wick fills, typically like anytime there's a wick fill, something like this, like I'm usually closing partials like around like right there.
Yeah.
Just in case, because if it doesn't push through it, it's gonna reject it, right? So that's why I typically like to close them a little bit before the wick fill.
It's so many. It's crazy how many times like that's happened to me. Like where price would miss my TP by like a pip or two.
Yeah.
It's like the bag was right there, John. Why didn't you take it? And then it's so weird because I wouldn't close anything in profits, but then I wouldn't close my losers. Like I wouldn't cut my losses. When I seen it going against me, I would just let it run. But for some reason, my profits, I would close them or I wouldn't close them at all either. It's weird.
Yeah. Yep, with experience you do get better. Yeah, just like anything. Yep. But I think I'm gonna call it a day. We'll be back tomorrow for the last stream of the year. One heck of a year, my friends. Nice push down here on gold today. I'm gonna wait for my XFA. I passed that account in London session, so I'll wait for that. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll close up the year. And yeah, safe trading. I'll be in the clubhouse for a little bit here today. And yeah, we'll see if we can catch anything else. All right, Johnny Jones.
All right, bet, bro. Thanks, Nick.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you coming by. I'll see you in the
Sir,
clubhouse.
appreciate you, bro. See you in the clubhouse.
See you, brother.
All right.
Chat.
Peace, brother. Peace, chat.
Love y'all.
See you. Have a good day.
Have a great day. Like the stream. Sub to the channel on the way out. Glory to the Father. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Later, Gators.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
Layer number 1.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's now it occurred to me. Hell gon' burn like 3rd degree. If you know your herstory, Jesus paid that purse for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Ayy, me and my baby girl in on the court, call that double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent and started repenting and cut out that fake. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, 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 as in heaven on this.
Too many perks to being a child of God, I can't pop one. It's too many songs, not about the crown, I can't drop one. If God pull the trigger, something gon' happen, this ain't a pop gun. Gotta get the full picture when it come to life, I can't crop nothing. Okay, gotta pay my dues, I know he gon' reimburse me. I can't hide my love for God, Brody, you can search me. Horoscopes and dream catchers tell me, is it working? Some of y'all be too drunk off clout, don't be thirsty. Tryna break through like halfback. Don't need the lights, you can have that. I'ma run the other way, that's backtrack. As I get bigger, I minimize. Had to take me a break, it's too many lies. Now I'm back to it like a 9 5.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, 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 as in heaven on this.
I'm doing well. Hey, I'm doing well. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm turning the chapter. Used to have Jeezy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably what's gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God twang may be the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Downside with the back of fields. When you're coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mud, cause you walk through it. Check my heels, my God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place, wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't, going everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up, now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking exits to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks who need it, that's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? One more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the one to get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.